What is a Schedule K-1 on TurboTax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So basically, a Schedule K-1 reports income from pass-through entities, which are partnerships, S corporations, estates, trusts, and LLCs. So if you are a member of any of these, you'll probably get a K-1. Some brokerages may also send one for certain investments. If you get a K-1, you have to report it on your personal tax return. Keep in mind you might not get yours until March or April or even later because the entity has to complete their returns before distributing any K-1s. If you haven't filed, you can easily enter your K-1 in TurboTax. Search for K-1, select the link and answer the questions. If you have already filed, you'll need to amend your return to add the K-1. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.